The difference between somebody that has been certified by QuickBooks and not certified by QuickBooks. Obviously, it's a certification, so QuickBooks has just a general bookkeeping, like Bookkeeping 101. Then they have a Level 1 and Level 2 certification. So our entire team is Level 2 certified right now. Now, we might hire somebody that's Level 1, but at this point, we're all Level 2. And so you're getting very highly trained inside QuickBooks software people that have taken a not so easy test. I've taken it twice. It is not easy. I've had to study for it, and there's a lot that goes behind the scenes in all the different nuances to the QuickBooks Level 2. If somebody just claims to know bookkeeping but has never sat through just the plain old QuickBooks basic, I would ask them why. A lot of people that say, I'm a bookkeeper, I do bookkeeping, they're not super serious about it. They don't know what they're doing. They've been trained wrong. They watched a few YouTube videos. They want to work from home, and that's the end of it. So not to shame anybody, but definitely do your due diligence of the background of your bookkeeper that you're hiring. Typically, you're not going to pass the QuickBooks test unless you have some accounting education behind you. So you're going to want to actually know where to put things inside of QuickBooks, and that comes from accounting courses, whether that's high school, college, like master's level college courses, whatever you can think of. You're going to want to have some background to accounting, and then if you're good at test taking, you'll probably pass it. But does that mean you know what you're doing? Not really. So you actually have to know not just how to take the test, but actually how to apply it in real life in different situations with different small businesses and steer that small business in the right direction. There's a big difference of just getting compliance work done and hitting a button versus knowing how it affects the business, where it should be put inside of QuickBooks, and then what's that result. And so that's the big difference between the two.